7 fun word games to play with ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the powerful AI platform, can be used for various purposes, including playing word games. If you're a word game enthusiast, you'll love these 7 prompts that can be used to play games like word association, 20 questions, rhyme time, and more. Word games are a great way to exercise your brain and have fun at the same time. ChatGPT can be used to play these games either as a competitor or as a host. Here are 7 word games you can play with ChatGPT. Word association. Prompt: let's play a word association game. I'll start with a word and you respond with a word that's associated with it. Then I'll respond with a word associated with your word and so on. Ready? The first word is insert word. 20 questions. Prompt: think of an object, and I'll try to guess what it is by asking yes or no questions. You can keep the track of the number of questions I've asked and let me know when I'm getting close. Ready? Start with a category and challenge me to play. Rhyme time. Prompt: let's play a rhyming game. You start with a word, and I'll respond with a word that rhymes with it. Then you'll respond with a word that rhymes with my word, and so on. Ready? The first word is insert your word. Anagram solver. Prompt: I've got a word for you to anagram. Can you rearrange the letters to form a new word? After you've solved it, give me a word to try and make an anagram from it. Hangman. Prompt: let's play hangman. I'll think of a word and you try to guess it by suggesting letters. I'll keep track of the correct and incorrect guesses. Ready? Here's the word. Word ladder. Prompt: let's play a word ladder game. I'll start with a word and you change one letter to form a new word. Then I'll change one letter from your word and so on. Ready? The first word is insert your word. Story with random words. Prompt: I've got a word in mind and I'll give you clues to help you guess it. Each clue will bring you closer to the word. Ready? Here's the first clue and insert your clue.